Lincoln rises like a stone giant on the edge of the Midlands, a city where Roman legions, Viking raiders, medieval kings, and cathedral builders all left their mark. From the climb of steep hill to the shadow of the mighty cathedral, every street feels like a journey through time. This video captures Lincoln in its most majestic, atmospheric, and unforgettable form: soaring towers, ancient walls, and the timeless spirit of a city that refuses to fade. Step into history. Feel the power. Witness Lincoln. Lincoln Castle rises above the city like a stone giant, its ancient walls glowing beneath shifting skies. Built by the Normans and shaped by centuries of power, rebellion, and quiet endurance, this fortress still breathes with the echoes of history. From the high ramparts, the city unfolds like a living tapestry. Cathedral towers piercing the horizon, rooftops glowing in the morning light, and the whispers of 1,000 stories drifting through the air. Inside the walls, shadows linger from the days of kings, prisoners, and the Magna Carta itself. Every arch, every corridor, every weathered stone carries the weight of a past that refuses to fade. This is Lincoln Castle, timeless, commanding, and cinematic, a fortress where history still walks beside you. Lincoln Cathedral is not just a building. It is a monument of stone and sky, a masterpiece carved by hands that dared to reach beyond their age. Rising high above the city, it stands like a guardian of the centuries, a titan of faith, ambition, and human imagination. Perched on the ancient hill of Lincoln, the cathedral commands the horizon with a presence that feels almost supernatural. Its towers spear the clouds, its silhouette cuts through the shifting light, and its great west front looms like the gateway to another world. For a moment, you forget the modern city below. All you see is stone, sky, and eternity. Step inside, and the world changes. Light pours through stained glass like liquid fire. Shadows drift across pillars that rise like ancient giants. Every footstep echoes with the memory of monks, kings, pilgrims, and dreamers who walked these aisles long before us. This is a place where silence speaks, where history breathes, where the past feels close enough to touch. Once the tallest building on earth, Lincoln Cathedral was a statement to the heavens, a declaration that human hands could shape something worthy of the divine. Even now, nearly 1,000 years later, it still feels impossible. Too vast, too intricate, too alive. From the soaring nave to the mystical chapter house, from the whispering cloisters to the legendary Lincoln imp perched high in the stonework, every corner holds a story. Every arch is a chapter. Every window is a flame of color burning through time. This video captures Lincoln Cathedral in its most cinematic form: the golden light, the storm-dark skies, the sweeping towers, the quiet poetry in its ancient stones. A journey through architecture, history, and atmosphere. A portrait of one of England's greatest wonders. Lincoln Cathedral is not just seen, it is felt, it is lived, it is remembered. Engines of muscle, wheels of steel, a city of stone, and a climb that breaks the brave. Step into the cinematic heart of the Lincoln Grand Prix, where speed becomes storytelling, and every turn of the pedals writes a new chapter in the streets of an ancient city. From the brutal rise of Michaelgate, echoing with the crack of tires on cobbles, to the sweeping Lincolnshire roads glowing under shifting light, this film captures the race as a living, breathing battle. Riders surge like a storm through narrow lanes, crowds erupt against the cathedral's skyline, and the city becomes an arena where grit, pain, and glory collide. This isn't just cycling, it's theatre carved into stone.